Are you having troubles with your mobile unit's capture hose? Don't worry, there's a way to tighten it up so it stays in place. Just give it a twist. Place one hand on the hose base and with another hand a few inches away, twist clockwise. This will have the effect of hardening the hose so it doesn't droop, limp, or flop. As you twist to tighten, you'll notice the diameter decreases. Conversely, if you want more flexibility in your hose, you can twist to loosen. With hands in similar configuration, twist counterclockwise and the hose will bend much more easily. Here, you'll notice the diameter increases. You can leave the hose attached to the base to twist, or you can remove it to twist, whichever is easiest for you. It's important to twist evenly up and down the entire length of the hose. If you don't get the desired result, twist evenly along the entire length again. But be careful, if you loosen your hose too much, you could permanently damage it. Remember the old saying, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Give that hose a twist to adjust it to your specific needs.